Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps on how to report someone on X. Whether you're addressing inappropriate behavior or violations of community guidelines, these steps will help you take action effectively. Let's dive in. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to proceed. Next, find the user you want to report. You can do this by searching their username in the search bar or locating their profile through your feed or followers list. Once you're on their profile, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. From the menu, select Report. You'll be prompted to choose a reason for reporting the account. Carefully review the options and select the one that best matches your concern. After selecting a reason, tap Next. You'll then be asked to choose the best match for your report. This step ensures that X has all the necessary details to evaluate your complaint. Once you've made your selection, tap Submit to finalize your report. Finally, tap Done. Your report has now been submitted, and X will review it according to their guidelines. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've contributed to maintaining a safer and more respectful community on X. Thank you for watching and taking action.